The goal is to create a vehicle that isn't something that just sits there and never gets used, or we don't want you to step into your van and have a bunch of what ifs or I wish I hads. We want to go through the process enough that you feel like the van that we make for you today is the same van that you want tomorrow. Hi, my name is Santiago Fileta, CEO and owner at Rogue Vehicle Company. Rogue Vehicle Company started in 2018. We were originally headquartered in Portland, Oregon. The story behind Rogue Vehicle Company's formation was a simple one and also probably a common one across a lot of industries. I had a very specific need for a very specific kind of van, and I started prototyping and building the types of vans that I was using right around like 2013, 2014. I had multiple iterations. No one was making a van that could house the gear that I had, have the sleeping accommodations, the cooking, the bathroom, all the stuff that we needed for what we were doing. So, one thing led to another. I posted a van on, I think, my personal Facebook, and it ended up getting liked and shared around like a couple thousand times. I wasn't thinking about the views. I was like, oh, this video just got shared around a couple thousand times and all these people are reaching out to me saying they want me to build something. Maybe I should do this. I didn't set out to start a van company. I really was just trying to build a product that suited my purposes. But, one thing led to another, and people were looking at what I was doing and they were really interested. And I said to myself, there's a big opportunity here. And keep in mind, this was well before COVID. This was years before COVID. We just wanted to make cool vans and people seem to respond to our build style. I have a really cool photo from that era where you can see it's like a defunct paint booth where we're building vans inside of in an automotive kind of like multi-use shared space. And if you zoom in the corner, you can see like a little 2x4, like a piece of scrap plywood or something. And written in Sharpie, it says Rogue Van Company. And that was our origins.
My name is Steven Stolp, the COO of Rogue Vehicle Company. Rogue has always been most known for making some of the most out-of-this-world custom vans, period. We're always pushing the envelope with creativity, luxury, and ingenuity. What really makes Rogue stand out is our state-of-the-art facility. Not only do we have cool vans being built here that you come check out, but we have this beautiful showroom. It gives you a great opportunity to touch and feel all the parts that are going to go on your vehicle. And now we are definitely breaking into a whole different beast. We are expanding into the entire overland market, where we're not just working on vans anymore. We're doing suspension, lights, anything that you can imagine on your overland vehicle, we're doing here at Rogue in our state-of-the-art service center. Our install center features a full 4-post alignment rack, massive lift that can accommodate any vehicle, tire machine, wheel balancer, you name it. And last but not least, our production facility. We have a full engineering team, really experienced woodworkers, professional electricians, and we can make some incredible stuff with this incredible team. We have everything you need to get your vehicle ready to hit the road.
The rebrand from Rogue Van Company to Rogue Vehicle Company, you have to better understand what our trajectory has been. We went from building vans in a small, modest warehouse in Portland to less modest but still small warehouse in San Diego in 2018. We then scaled into 2 facilities on the same street in Pacific Beach. At that point, we were fully custom. We also had some floor models that we were building, but we were still fairly small scale. And as the years pushed forward, we started growing, our volume went up, and then we started doing a lot of really kind of high profile, high visibility projects that were made to kind of make a splash and make an impact. Through our trajectory in that process, we realized that we needed a bigger building, we needed a bigger facility to accommodate all the orders that we were taking. We moved here in 2025 and set up shop. The idea behind Rogue Vehicle Company is that we're not just a van company anymore. We have parts, we have service, we have sales of different products, we have super specific pop-top truck campers. The list of the things that we do continues to grow, and the scope has moved generally towards vehicle-specific stuff, not so much only van-specific stuff. My goal for our customers is to find a van that augments your lifestyle. If your lifestyle is family-oriented, then I want the van to enable you to have better quality time with your family. We also have working professionals that want to entertain and also work on the road. We also have digital nomads that are living out of their vans full-time and working out of them full-time and taking them to different events and gatherings. We have retired couples. We have individuals that have gotten out of an interesting place in life or leaving a job or selling a company, and they want a new lease on life and they want to travel and discover. There's so many different ways that you can get here. But when you do get here, the goal is for Rogue, for this company, to understand where are you coming from, what are your specific needs, how do you feel like you're going to use the van, and then I want to then take that information and I want to filter it through our web of experience, the things that we've done, the places we've gone, the ways we have used vans and designed vans, and I want to marry those two things together to give you a product that really works and really works for your specific lifestyle. And that is the Rogue process, and that is the goal. The goal is to create a vehicle that isn't something that just sits there and never gets used, or we don't want you to step into your van and have a bunch of what ifs or I wish I had's. We want to go through the process enough that you feel like the van that we make for you today is the same van that you want tomorrow.